The Galaxy S24 FE features a 50-megapixel main sensor that captures detailed and vibrant images with AI-powered enhancements through the Pro Visual Engine. Its 3x optical zoom provides clear and stable shots, ensuring great results even at a distance. Powered by the Exynos 2400 and 8 GB of RAM, the Galaxy S24 FE delivers fast, responsive performance. Apps load quickly, and graphically demanding games maintain stable performance, making it ideal for both casual and intense users. Equipped with a 4700 mAh battery, the Galaxy S24 FE offers solid endurance, supporting extended use throughout the day. Its energy-efficient design ensures that the battery life is optimized for various daily tasks and activities. The iPhone 15 brings the dynamic island feature to non-Pro models with a brighter display of up to 2000 nits, great for outdoor visibility. This model introduces a 48-megapixel main camera, utilizing new binning techniques to deliver detailed 24-megapixel photos by default. This device now features a USB-C port for charging and accessories, and it runs on the A16 Bionic chip for solid performance and battery efficiency. When it comes to dimensions, the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE measures 162 millimeters in length, making it significantly longer than the iPhone 15, which is only 147.6 millimeters long. This difference in size could impact handling and portability for users who prefer a more compact device. In terms of weight, the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE is heavier at 213 grams compared to the iPhone 15, which weighs 171 grams. This could be a consideration for those who prioritize a lighter phone for everyday use. The Samsung Galaxy S24 FE sports a larger 6.7-inch display, offering more screen real estate for content consumption compared to the 6.1-inch display of the iPhone 15. This makes the Galaxy S24 FE a better option for media enthusiasts. For photography, the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE features a versatile triple-camera setup with a 50-megapixel wide lens, an 8-megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, and a 12-megapixel ultrawide lens. In contrast, the iPhone 15 has a dual-camera system with a 48-megapixel wide lens and a 12-megapixel ultrawide lens. The additional telephoto lens on the Galaxy S24 FE provides greater flexibility for capturing distant subjects. When it comes to internal memory options, the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE offers configurations of 128GB, 256GB, and 512GB with 8GB of RAM, while the iPhone 15 provides similar storage options, but with 6GB of RAM. The higher RAM in the Galaxy S24 FE could lead to better multitasking performance. The resolution of the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE is 1080 by 2340 pixels, providing a density of approximately 385 ppi. The iPhone 15, however, boasts a higher resolution of 1179 by 2556 pixels, resulting in a sharper display at around 461 ppi. This means the iPhone 15 may deliver crisper visuals, especially for detailed content. Both devices are IP68 rated for dust and water resistance, but the iPhone 15 can withstand submersion in water up to 6 meters for 30 minutes, while the Galaxy S24 FE is limited to 1.5 meters. This makes the iPhone 15 a better choice for users who need extra durability in aquatic environments. In terms of processing power, the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE runs on a 10-core CPU clocked at 3.11 GHz, while the iPhone 15 is powered by Apple's 6-core A16 Bionic chip. The multi-core design of the Galaxy S24 FE may provide an edge in handling multiple tasks simultaneously. The Samsung Galaxy S24 FE has a larger battery capacity of 4700 mAh compared to the iPhone 15's 3349 mAh. This means the Galaxy S24 FE is likely to offer longer usage times, making it a better option for heavy users. For selfies, the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE features a 10-megapixel front camera, while the iPhone 15 has a 12-megapixel front camera. The higher resolution of the iPhone 15 may result in clearer and more detailed selfies. Appealing to social media enthusiasts, both devices feature a premium build with glass fronts and backs, but the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE uses Gorilla Glass Victus Plus for added durability, whereas the iPhone 15 uses Corning-made glass. This could make the Galaxy S24 FE slightly more resistant to scratches and drops. The Samsung Galaxy S24 FE offers impressive camera features, including 3x optical zoom, night portrait, and AI scene optimization, which enhance low-light photography and versatility. The iPhone 15, on the other hand, boasts features like sensor shift OIS and optical zoom up to 4x, which can provide superior stabilization and clarity in various shooting conditions. The Galaxy S24 FE's selfie camera includes AI enhancements and night mode, making it suitable for low-light conditions. The iPhone 15 selfie camera, with HDR and a depth sensor, excels in producing high-quality portrait shots, especially in varied lighting. The Samsung Galaxy S24 FE runs on Android 14 with One UI 6.1, while the iPhone 15 operates on iOS 17. Both operating systems offer unique features and user experiences, catering to different preferences. The Samsung Galaxy S24 FE is equipped with the Exynos 2400E chipset, while the iPhone 15 features the Apple A16 Bionic. The A16 Bionic is known for its efficiency and performance, particularly in graphics-intensive applications. The Samsung Galaxy S24 FE supports both nano SIM and dual SIM configurations, providing flexibility for users who need multiple lines. The iPhone 15 supports nano SIM and eSIM, appealing to users who prefer digital SIM options. The display of the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE is a dynamic AMOLED 2X with a 120Hz refresh rate, providing smooth scrolling and gaming experiences. The iPhone 15 features a Super Retina XDR OLED display, renowned for its color accuracy and brightness, particularly in HDR content. The Samsung Galaxy S24 FE features the Xclipse 940 GPU, while the iPhone 15 is powered by Apple's 5-core GPU. The iPhone's GPU is optimized for gaming and graphics tasks, likely providing superior performance in demanding applications. The Samsung Galaxy S24 FE can record video in 8K at 24 FPS, which is impressive for high-resolution recording. The iPhone 15, while offering 4K recording capabilities with Dolby Vision HDR, excels in video stabilization and overall quality, making it ideal for content creators. Both the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE and the iPhone 15 are equipped with stereo speakers, ensuring an immersive audio experience, whether you're watching videos or listening to music. This feature is essential for media consumption on both devices. The Samsung Galaxy S24 FE includes an under-display fingerprint sensor, while the iPhone 15 uses Face ID for secure authentication. Depending on user preference, each method offers distinct advantages in terms of convenience and security. The Samsung Galaxy S24 FE supports Samsung DeX and virtual proximity sensing, enhancing productivity and user experience. The iPhone 15 includes features like emergency SOS via satellite, providing peace of mind in critical situations. In terms of pricing, the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE starts at approximately $649.99, while the iPhone 15 is priced around $600. The price difference may influence buyers based on budget and brand loyalty.